Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this double hoop cake stand. The hoops are from the pawn shop. So I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. You can see the back. You can use both the back and the front. If you haven't watched the video for the arch behind me, the link is in the comment section. So let's jump into the video. Today we are using these hoops to make a double hoop cake stand. So I'm using these two hoops from the pawn shop. I wanted the paper one so that I can remove the wrapper and spray paint it, but I didn't get any, so I'll use these ones. Instead of spray painting it, I'll just put this ribbon. I wanted a rustic look anyway, so it will work. So let's put the ribbon on. I'm just putting the ribbon on. You just go around. Cut it a bit. Just one after the other. Yeah. Like this. I'm just doing it one after the other. So now I use this. I just cut this one from the round one. I didn't have the ready-made one, so I just cut this one. It's just a foam. If you don't want to put flowers around it, you can just use the cake board, the one they use for cake, the board here. So what I want to do is to gum this like that. Yeah. So we gum it to this underneath here. I'll just attach the zip ties to the top so that it can be a bit stable when I'm gumming it down, when I'm gumming the base. So I just zip tied the top. I just use pin to pin it a bit, just to make it stable. It's better stable now. Use long wires and then bend it in the middle and then go right through it so that I can secure the base. That's secure. Yeah, it's secure now. And you can just put glue on top, just for and this one is secure. Cover this thing with flowers. This one, I'll just put this boxwood panel just to make it easier for me, but it doesn't matter. You can just cover it. You can just cover it straight away with flowers, like. But because I want the greenery to show, you can just straight away cover it with flowers like this if you want. Okay. can just straight away cover it with flowers, yeah? But I want my one to have more green on me because I'm going for elastic look. Yeah, so I need more green on it. I just put this boxwood panel, just take this, a small piece. So a little bit foliage can reach everywhere. You don't need a lot. You know, what you have to do is cut them. Build this one swag here. It will go like that. Yeah. Yeah. So what I'll do is I don't want the one here to be bigger. I want it to be smaller. So I'll remove some leaves from here. That's okay. Alright, so I just put it like this, yeah. Put it like this. Just have some small flower to add to it, yeah. It is enough. We don't need it to be too big. We just tie this. And then do another one, the one for up down. I want it to be bigger, so I won't cut the other things there. I just build it up like that. I want it to be a bit bigger. I want to go this way. Then I'll tie it with zip tie. Okay. So now I have these two. I want one this way, one this way. Now I'll tie them like that. Yeah. I'll tie them together. So we have this one, the small one going this way, just bend it a little. The small one going this way, the big one going that way. So now Yeah. So now what I want to do is add some flowers here. I have to take rose and loop it around there, yeah. And anything showing, you can use glue gun to gum it, yeah. This one we are not tipping. This one is pure glue gun. This is a summer shop. Let me put this one there. I'm just looping it round to fill up the middle there. Yeah. Now how it's looking here. Maybe which one again? I'll put some GP there. How is it looking? Yeah. Adjust it to the way you want. You can add the other flowers. You can glue the other flowers on it when you tie it already. Okay, so now you can tie it. Use your zip tie. Use zip tie to tie it. That's it, tie. And you tie the other side as well, just to secure it. When you tie it now, you can glue other flowers you want to glue on them. You can put a eucalyptus garland. If you have a garland like this one, just loop it around the hoops. But for me, I want it to be like a spray, so I've cut little eucalyptus branches, the stems, and I'm taping them together using forestry tape. I'll just use my cable ties to tie it on top of the hoop. So that's what I'm doing here, just using the tape to tie the branches to make like a spray. So you would you take one stem, then add another, going to the length you want it to be. Then you just use it to tie it on the hoop. Just using cable ties here to tie the spray that I've made to the hoop. Then I need to finish the base. I just take some roses and put them the way I want it. You can use any other flower that you have to do the base. The hoop is all finished now. Now my favorite part, use glue gun to glue anything that is you don't like. If you see any zip tie poking around, just use a leaf, put glue gun on it, hot glue gun, and then gum it so everything can be perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and let us know in the comment section what you want me to do next. Thank you.